Good morning, students. This is Amuthan from CT department, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am going to deliver about the data communications. What is the data communication? The data communication is process of transferring data from and information between two or more devices. It plays a vital role in model computing, enable remote access, resource sharing, and global connectivity. The effective data communication relies on hardware components, transmission techniques, protocols, and error mechanism. So, what are the main components that we are going to see in this slide? Means the main objective is accuracy, the speed, how the data communication, error-free communications, what are the modes, what are the components, involved in data communication. That's all are the things that we are going to see in this slide. The presentation provides overview of data communication, components, models, transmission media, and the challenge involves. The components, what are the components? Obviously, the message we need, that the message only that we are going to deliver. So the text, the message may be the text, audio, video. The sender is one who initiative to deliver the message. On the device that generates and send the message, while the receiver is destination device that interprets it. The transmission media can be wired or wireless. That through transmission media only we can we can pass the message. Finally, protocols is nothing but it's a set of rules and rules that govern how data is transferred and received, ensuring that the communication is reliable and understood by both the ends. What is the data transmission modes? The data can be simplex, half duplex, and duplex. Simplex means is nothing but it's a unidirectional. That message can be transferred from the one side. Like a walkie-talkie. And half duplex means data can be passed. It is a bidirectional data can be passed by both the end, but it is not simultaneously. It's not a simultaneously. Full duplex method, it flows in both directions simultaneously, allowing the real-time two-way communication, such a telephonic conversation. Full duplex, normally nowadays we can use a full duplex method like a chat or a telephonic confirmation. The choice of transmission mode affects the efficiency and complexity of the communication system. Full duplex is preferred for interactive applications that require continuous bidirectional data exchange. Transmission media, that media is guided or unguided. Guided means wired and unguided means wireless. What is the guided media used? Include twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optics, which provide high speed and security. Unguided means we can use electromagnetic waves to transmit data through air, such as radio, microwave, infrared communication. The choice of media depends on the factors. It's like distance, cost, bandwidth, and environmental conditions. Fiber optics, for example, it's offer high bandwidth and low signal loss, making them ideal for long distance, high speed networks. For particular scenario, we can use fiber optics. So, what is the data encoding and modulations? The encoding transfer digital data into digital signal for wired networks, while modulation converts digital. That means if you take a modem, modulator, demodulator. Modulator means it converts digital signal into analog signal, and to transmit analog signal for transmission. The common modulation technique include amplified modulation, frequency modulation, and bias modulations. Okay, modulations. Efficient encoding and modulation ensures that data is transmitted accurately with minimum loss and distortion, which is essential for high quality communication over various type of networks. Next, error corrections, error detections and corrections. Error can be occurring due data transmission due to noise, signal attenuation, or interface. Error detection techniques identify these errors, while error correction method fix them to ensure accurate data delivery. Common error detection method include parity bits, checksum. Parity bits means some special bit you can add front and back of the messages. Checksum means if the node is lost the signal, means where that point itself we have to check the sum checkpoint we have to make, that is the checksum. The cycle redundancy to check for corrections, automatic repeat require request, protocol request, retransmission of corrected data. So while forward error corrections allows to receive to correct error without transmission, reliable error handling to receive to mechanism improve communication efficiency and integrity. So error detection and correction is the main thing which is makes for the reliable and error free communications. So this is the data communication. So in this slide we can see data communication, media and data communication components, error detection correction and data encoding and data encoding modulations. Okay, next class we will see another topic. Thank you very much.